So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to set up 2 units for intercom talk. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to turn both of them on. You're going to hold down the power button for 3 seconds each. So now that you have your power on, you're going to want to reset the system, because anytime you're linking new Bluetooth items together, you want to reset them. So the way to reset them is you're just going to hold the plus volume and the minus volume together until you see a red flashing light. You're just going to do that on both of them to reset them. So now these are both reset. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to press the intercom button on both of these units. Once they're ready to pair, you'll see that they're flashing red and blue. You're just going to go ahead and hit the intercom button again one more time. It's going to search for the other unit. Once it finds it, these units are now ready to go. And to talk, all you're going to have to do is just hit the intercom button and you'll be able to chat with the person that's in your same system.